This is K-Sud Media, and we've just discovered a new place, a new site at Oboadaka. There's this waterfalls, you know, the scenery, the water itself. Charlie, it's so cold, and you know, we are just telling everyone, make time to visit Oboadaka. It's within the Kintampo South constituency, and then you know, it's not far from Pukrom, you know. So when you get to Pukrom, on the Ebrin Sawam Road, you get to Pukrom, you just alight, get a motor or a taxi to Oboadaka and just come and see the place for yourself. We are entering right now and you just love the place. So Charlie, follow us. Just going down to see the waterfalls. My man K-Sud Media is behind the cameras taking all the pictures. I'm here with one beautiful lady from Oboadaka. Hello, can you please come over? Come over. Yeah, let them see you. Yeah, so she's also here to help us. So tell us something about the place and see how the place is. So, hello. Pacho Bodin. I'll see a friend Mavis, in sister Mavis. On the airphone, so you need a pack of show. Okay. And it wasn't. Then you can hear the sound of the waterfalls, Charlie. It's so bad, it's so nice, you know, the place. You know, you love the place. So just make time, visit Oboadaka. Anytime you are in and around the Bri or in Sawam, just make time to visit Oboadaka and you love the place. You know, that's the waterfalls. You can see it behind us. You know, you have to take care because you know it's very scary. It's very scary. So let's take time. We are going. So we are here. That is Oboadaka WaterFalls. Coming up there, from up there down. It's so amazing. You know, it's so amazing. So just make time and visit Oboadaka WaterFalls. Anytime you are in and around in Sawam and Ebri, just make it a point, visit the place. It's a nice environment. You know, you can see the trees and everything, the rock. You know, it's just amazing. You know, you appreciate the handwork of God in a very marvelous way. So just make time and visit and you feel it. Thank you. we are exiting the falls now. Behind us you can see a beautiful washroom that is being built, and you know, it's a nice place. It's a nice place. The least said about the place, you know, the better. So just make time, visit friends, family, you know, just organize yourselves, groups, organize yourselves, and you know, come and have fun. You know, Oboadaka is a place. It's on the Ebri in Sawam Road. You know, when you get to Pukrum, alight, get a taxi or a motor, come straight to Oboadaka, and you will enjoy the place. This is Casewood Media. Subscribe to Casewood Media on YouTube, Casewood Media on Instagram, Casewood Media on Facebook, Casewood Media on Twitter, and let's make money.